To test to section 4, this is number 1. During its Labor Day sale, the store advertised $40, not percent, $40 deducted from every purchase over 200. In addition to that, after deduction, right? After deduction. So if you have some amount over here, K dollars, right? You spend by K dollars, K is greater than 200, so you can take off $40 off. So K minus 40. After deduction to this amount, the store offers early bird discount 40% off. It's going to be 1 minus 0.4. That is 40% off, which is about 0.60%. Okay, that is our final price. So 0.6 times K and 40 times 0.6, 24. Okay, that is final price. So choice C is the answer. Right, number 2. On a web, 3 centimeters represent K kilometers. That is the proportion. Okay, centimeter numerator, P centimeters. What is the real distance in kilometers? You can use cross multiplication. Okay, K times P or P times K equals 3K, 3x. So you can divide by 3. That is the value of x. Okay, so PK over. Right, number 3. L and parallel, and the angle 1 is 20 more than the measurable angle 2. If the measurable angle 2 is x, angle 1 is x plus 20. Okay, what is the measurable angle 1? This angle. So, we need one more parallel line there to solve this one. So what is the measure of these angles? X plus 20, alternate interior angles. And also this is x, also this is x. Okay, alternate interior angle again. Sum of two angles is 90 degrees. That equals to 90 when you add these two. So x plus x, 2x plus 20, that is equals to 90. That's right. So 2x equals 90 over 2 is what? 70. Okay, x equals 35. So put this number in there, 35 here. So 35 plus 20 equals 55, right? That's the measurable angle 1. Okay, so choice C is the answer. Number 4, Cassie plans to buy a new computer. He plans to save $20 each week, right, for the next W. That's why we got this one. This is what $20 every week, so comes with a variable. Okay, 150 is what initial value. He already have $150. Anyway, which one is the best answer? You compare cost of $150? No, this is a one, not 150, right? More than. Okay, T is computer price. He saved 150 each week. No, he saved each week 20. This is wrong. She wants to buy a computer when she saves 150. No, this is not enough. You need more amount for this one. So this is, he already have $150. Okay, that is kind of initial, right? The best answer is D. Okay. All right, number 5. Over here, human age is directly proportional to dog age. Directional proportion is h equals, what is that? K times D, right? That is a direct variation. Or you can use why h over D always a constant. Okay, what is it? 10 over 2 is what? Always 5, right? So 2 times 5 is 10, 4 times 5 is 20, something like that. So the equation is what? H equals 5 times D, right? That's the equations. When D equals 0, what is the value of K? H. H is still 0, okay? H equals 0, A equals 0. What is the B? B is when 15, 5 times 15 is what? That is the value of B, which is 75. So 0 plus 75, B is the answer. The graph of this one, h equals 5, they always pass through the origin, right? Already the graph of proportional relationship pass through the origin, okay? This is just linear, but not direct variations, not proportion, okay? So choice B is the answer. Here is the number 7. A minus 5 over 2b. The fraction is equal to 1/2. But a is 5 less than 2 times b. So a equals 2b minus 5. That's the relation. Okay. Okay, now let's find the a. Okay, we eliminate b over here. Okay, what is 2b over here? 2b equals how much? I'm going to write this one. A plus 5. Okay, 2b equals a plus 5. Now cross multiplication. 12 minus 10 equals a plus 5. So minus a both sides, this is a. Plus 10 both sides, 15. So a equals 15 is the answer, okay? The number 8, Tyler spent $60 at an amusement park for admission ticket and ride. Admission ticket is a one-time payment, okay? He paid $10 admissions, but each ride is $3 each. So number of rides is R, you can use 3R. That equals to, okay, spend the $6 weird, okay? Maybe this is better. This is going to spend, plan, right? Spend $60, okay? So less than or equals 60, okay? That is the correct one. So when you subtract 10 both sides, you got this one 3, R is less than or equals to 50. You can divide it by 3, R is what, 16.66, something like that. The maximum value of R satisfy this inequality, R equals 60. Okay, choice A is the answer. Number 9. Summer concert. One type of the type of right $5 ticket, $10 ticket over here. This is a $5 ticket, $10 ticket. The supervisor of the concert can sell at most what 500 tickets. So the number of tickets we don't know. Anyway, we got two variables, right? It doesn't matter which one is x, which one is y. But if we set up this is x, this is y, total amount will be different. Okay. Anyway, this two, sum of these two is what? Total number of ticket. Okay. At most is what? X plus y should be less than or equal to 500. Okay. The space is not that much big. Only what? 500 chairs. Okay. Something like that. Total amount is what? At least is greater than or equal, okay? Total amount over here, 5x plus 10y must be greater than or equals 3,000. All right, this is greater than or equal, this is less than or equal, okay? So where is the correct answer over here? But this is okay. But this is okay, right? Yeah, that's possible. Both right number of ticket must be greater than or equal 0. It can be. It cannot be right negative number. Choice A is this, okay? Number B. This is the linear function. It's satisfied f over 3 equal 10. That means when x equal 3, y is 10. I'm going to when x equal 3, y is 10. When x equal 7, y is 18. When x equal 5, what is the value of this is y? So using constant slope, you can find the value of y, okay? What's the slope over here? 18 minus 10 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. Slope is 2. Now we're going to just substitute 2. It doesn't matter. Y minus 10 over 5 minus 3 is 2. That is equals to this slope. Okay? So y minus 10 is 4. Y equals 4 10 is this. Okay? Alright, this is a number, but we have a rectangle. The dimension of here, x and y. The perimeter is 100. So 2x plus 2y equals 100. That means what? 2x plus 2y. And that is the perimeter, right? That is 100. Okay, the length is width is y, x is the length. Okay. So which of the following expressions represent the area of this rectangle region as a function of x? The area equals x times y. But we're gonna replace y in terms of with x, okay? So over here, we can divide by 2, x plus y, only this is half of perimeter, right? X plus y equals 50. Y equals 50 minus x, right? Replace with 50 minus x over here. So x times 50 minus x, 50x minus x squared, right? That's the area of this rectangle in terms of x, okay? So choice B is the answer. If the value of y is 25, okay, what is the area of rectangle? Okay, this is 25. Total should be 50. This is also at 25, right? Now the rectangle now forms what? Like a square, right? Exactly, this is a square, okay? 25, 25. What's the area of this one? 25 times 25, okay? 625 is the area of this square, okay? All right, now move on number 13. So table shows the percent of men and women, right, who were working on certain factory in the US, okay? So we have two different years of it, 1990, 2000, okay? That is 19.6% of, okay, factory, right? They are all old men, okay? So we have 2015, okay? This is constraint over here. If the rate of increase decrease every year is constant, that increases same rate. This is decrease the same rate. But we are talking about the men over 60, only men over 60 this way. Don't care about this one. Okay? So they increased with same rate 2015, okay? How much percent over here? So we're gonna find the value of x. This is also linear. You can use like constant slope, but it doesn't matter, okay? This difference, 23.6 minus 19.6 equals to 4, right? This is for the during 10 years. So slope is about 4 over 10 is about 2 over 5, okay? What is the slope of this one? X minus 23.6 over 2015 minus 2000 is 50. Okay, that is equal to 2 over 5. It's okay? All right. So you can use 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 3 is 6. This way it's going to be 6. So what is the value of x? 23.6 plus 6. Okay, so 29.6 is this, okay? All right, number 14. A marriage making a rectangle whose perimeter is less than 100 inches. Perimeter is less than 100 inches. The dimension rectangle are integer. If we have this one, if this is A, this is B, okay? The dimension is all integers. A is integer, B is integers. So A plus B actually how much? Less than 50, right? Half of these numbers. Okay, half a perimeter. But using this inequality, okay, how can you find maximum possible area for these rectangles? The idea is what if the numbers, when you choose these numbers very close, that gave us what maximum area, okay? All right. If this is equal 25, 25, yeah, it will be maximum area, right? 625. But they are not equal. Less than 50. The next choice is what? One is 25, the other one is 24. Okay, then they have only one difference. Okay, it's gonna have right, really possible largest possible area. Okay, how much is one? 25, 24. 25 times 24. That is 100, 50, 600, right? That's the maximum possible area. Okay. Number 15. Z equals, that is a complex number. Where is this number? That's the question, okay? So G squared equals how much? Then you make a square here. 3 squared is 9. 2i squared is what? 4i squared, right? I'm going to do 4i squared and the plus 12i, okay? This is negative 1. This is negative 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5 plus 12i. Still both one. Real is positive, imaginary also positive here, right? 5 and 12. This is real, this is imaginary, okay? This is 0 here. Number 16. AD is square root 3 and the CD is 1. What is the length of AB? This length. So, this is 1 square root 3, this is 2, right? This is the right triangles. But in this case, this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree. Another 30 degree, they are equal over here. That is now 60 degree. So this is a better figure, right? That is 60. This is square root 3, okay? So what is this side? Hypotenuse. Twice over this side, okay? 2 red 3. That is a special right triangle, okay? 2 red 3 is this. Okay, here we go. We have exponential function f of x equals 1000 times b to the x. B is what actually, this b is called what? Geometric common ratio, right? Geometric series, common geometric sequence, okay? Common ratio. If you know this one, you can find the b value from the graph. This is 4, this is 2, the difference is 1, right? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So b equals 2, okay? You can find the b equals 2, or you can substitute some number over here. So when x, I'm going to tell you, when x is 2, y is 4, 4,000. Y equals 4,000 times 1,000 times b to the y when x is 2. You know that, right? 3 zeros out. B squared is 4. B is 1. Plus minus 2. But exponentially cannot be negative, okay? It is increasing, it is always positive, okay? 2. The next one, what is the number bacteria in 5 hours? You can use this formula, okay? We already got the value of here. 1,000 times 2 to the x. That is the bacteria number, okay? So, for this number, this is 5, okay? 5 here. So, 100 times 2 to the 5th power, 1,000, okay? 2 to the 5th power is 32, okay? So the number of bacteria will be 32,000, okay? Choice B is the answer. Okay, move on number 19. Okay, school nurse chose 50 girls. This is sample size. Okay, so they measure their weight. Yeah, the data in this table below. Okay, so 70. 5 students, 5 girls have right 70. Okay, pound of weight. 8 girls 75 pound. Okay, 20 girls 78. That is exact number, right? So 500 girls. This is sample. We choose 50 girls sample. So using this sample, we're gonna find the best answer for the 500 girls. 500 girls is a population. Okay. What is the possible number of girls in the median measure? We already median measure. We have to find out which one is in middle. Over here, 20. Just so simply, this is correct. Okay, 1 plus 50 divided by 2. That is in middle. Okay, that is actually 25.5. Okay. Where is this student? Where is this girl? This 13 only girls. Okay, 13, 25, approximately 20, 12 more, right? 12 belongs over here. This is the median weight, 78. So 20 girls out of 50, right? 20 girls out of 50, that is the ratio. Okay, so we have a 500 girls times 500, right? This one equals how much? 200, isn't it? It's okay? One over here, that's gonna be 200 girls out of 500. They have a median weight, okay, which is 78 pounds. This is number 20. So to find the centers, we need what? Standard equation of a circle, right? This is standard equation of the h minus h square, x minus h square and y minus k square equals to r square. Right? So where is the center? H and k is the center, radius is r. Okay. So this is to make a square root, we need half of this number, okay? X minus 1 square plus y square. But when you add to this one, this is actually what it is. X squared minus 2x plus 1. We add 1, right? To make, right, perfect square trinomial. This is, we said, perfect square trinomial. This will replace with the perfect square from here, okay? We need this number. So we add 1 to the left hand side, add 1 to the right hand side too. Anyway, we need to find the only center, right? So 1 and 0 is the center, okay? Okay, this is all in this video. I'll see you in next video, okay? Thank you.